Plus Cape Town. Cape Town is
Cape Town.
Inuki racist Cape Town.
You understand what I'm saying?
But guys, isiphandla vele masesitsha siyanuka.
Mara uthi lesomile. So it's better. Already it's better.
But awukwazi usikhavara ke.
But why should I cover it? And I'm a citizen of South Africa.
Exactly.
Why do I need to go to spaces where I need to cover who I am?
Exactly. And Ntonganongqawuza is not a real thing. They planted that story because bona they were the ones who planted inkomo egulayo esibayeni sabantu.
Whoa! Eastern Cape, they said you're gonna be Transkei and Ciskei. You're gonna speak your official language is gonna be closer. Disregarding Amampondo Misen, Amahlubi, and all the other people that are in that. So if you work well with the white people, they were very lenient with you. Hey, Manjele.
Dorenfontein.
Hey, black.
Yeah, kuna iskote Johannesburg. Bathi Dorenfontein. Hey, mami. Lapha kunemikhukhu in the building.
Ungasho wena.
Ama sitafaka imikhukhu.
Dorenfontein. Nasenza isiphandla kwakho kusetsolo noba kwatsolo. Kutsolo. Ngiyasenza isiphandla.
Hayi anikaze ngomntu wenza isiphandla.
Osho ukuthi amazulu kuphela.
Sibona apha ekuguleni zontombi.
Hoyibo.
So City King.
Wena qala benza ingqithi. Okanye baya lento zebusweni bayachaza.
Yini ingqithi?
Bakusika lo munwe lo.
Oh, you are from that tribe.
Kahle all those white people should know how to speak Xhosa. It doesn't make sense that uhlale eWestern Cape bakwazi ukukhuluma isiXhosa. As a white person, honestly. No, because there are white people in Eastern Cape who can speak Xhosa. There are white people in Limpopo who can speak Sepedi. Bona bahlulwa yini?
Ngcono kodwa ekhaya.
Ngcono ekhaya.
Angena umfo computer madoda uqamqamyeke tela umfo computer phansi exophela madoda apha ngidaba khona ufuna ngibuza umzimba khulihla mfana angena impejulu awu madoda uzulu ukhalima sinofisa ongafofa ngamalawo not ukuthi kancane ngokusakathi umuntu ofude kulonyoko madoda awu thola lesilo ngoba isilo ngokwaso madoda awu isizulu sikamadziba lapho ngavunywa khona kumalomba bathi badide embekeze ngabadide emhlabeni lahlathe vutana bangivume ebhayi bathi Jay's demand bangivuma kwahlubi bangivume manzeni namnandi evala bathi hayi unjaswari ngiyakutshela ngithi umoto kamnandi ngaliphinda kabili moto oh hayi kungcono ekhaya ende ke namhlanje ke nginiphathele fresh new faces ngiphethe unkanyezi unjani lapho
hawu ngiyaphila bafu
uyaphila
sizawuthini okunye ukuphila nje siyaphila si right.
Yes ayike mangabe njalo
angithi sisekhaya phela
kusekhaya
yabo wena kwathiwa kumnandi ekhaya ngasho ke
kungcono ekhaya
mangabe bengekho ekhaya ngaba ngiphila
yebo le ndaba
see what I'm saying
kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi uphunga itiye lapha ngoba uthi isifuba ngathi sikubambe kancane
yazi iflu ku day 1
day 1 manje so manje ufuna ukuyikhata before ifika kuphi
fast
angidlali
ngalezi zinto shaya majinja magaliki yabo
uvela shayzona
I like apart street
akuyona hunter virus
well ngintshele eSouth Africa ne amagundwane ethu the way ephucekile ngakhona amagundwane ethu yabo they don't qualify for that thing.
That's why they didn't make news that
it doesn't arrive here. We don't have sinama roto tina. We don't have rats.
Alex lapha.
Exactly. Sinama roto. We don't have rats. You see, it's very different.
No, ayageza mara phela
ayageza exactly.
Exactly. Alex lapha ngakabona ukuthi vela ayageza ama
ingakho kunamanzi nje etradini every time. Guess ama roto.
Ne. Clean kube njalo.
Exactly.
But ke baforce hamba isodwa. Siphethe intokazi. Enhle intokazi. Esiyilanda le zizipho. Kodwa sakubuza ukuthi ubuya equmbu nobe etsolo. ubuyatsolo kutsolo tyala lam lithethwa kuqumbu notsolo ngukhulume awu madoda yaphila kodwa ntokazi
Ndiyaphila khonto kunjani?
hayi siyaphila sajabula ukuba nawe
Nami ndiyavuya ukunibona.
nathi siyavuya ukubonwa sike sisho nje
ukuthi nathi siyavuya ukuthi sike sabonwa
sometimes kumele ubonwe yabo yazini
kwakuyini kodwa ukubona kumele
for a change for a change
kunini singabona
into engishoyo for a change yabo
uyaphila kodwa ntokazi
Hayi ndiyaphila khonto.
akho nto engako hawu madoda hayi ke siphethe ke uzizipho lana ngiphethe unkanyezi ke lana ake lobo bejwayeleke abekho ke namhlanje not that they are not part of the show, they are still part of the show ukuthi njena ke they've got other commitments this Sunday. So manje ke this Sunday thina ke sidila ke ngoba phela ekhasi baningi ekhaya ngeke uze wazi they are
ngena kuphunywe
ekhaya
banye balala emakhishini
nenza kanjani hey uke waya etsolo nenza kanjani ngoDecember vele kugcwala ukuthi isipitipiti kunabantu ongabazi ngisho
kudala buya abantu
niyabhaka
ubhaki sonke
isonke nenza kanjani ngoDecember injani nje i-experience ngoDecember nje
ngoDecember isipitipiti because umgidi wokuqala umgidi which means inyama because ke inyama siyazenzela sibiza ingoma day and night kumnandi shenge
kumnandi nje kuthe
hayi kumnandi
imaqala kwaXhosa etsolo noba Ampondomise so ulimpondo noba
ulimpondomise
hayibo ake uzonke impondomise naye really
yes there's a whole song, I mean. There's a whole song dedicated Hlabela Mampondo.
Which album?
Yo, hey.
I got it. The last time.
It's somewhere.
The last time I actually and I'm ashamed to say this because the last time I actually listen to Zonke's album was Ina 8.
Well, it's not. It's not new, man. Lengoma.
Shukuti is prior.
I'm sure album. That era, really.
You know what I've realized? Zizipho. Amampondo.
If you want to translate directly into English, it means these are nails.
These are nails.
Direct translation. These are nails.
These are.
No, I'm kidding. These are gifts.
Gifts.
Gidineo.
Same as Gidineo.
Yeah, ngeSuthu Gidineo.
So if umSuthu,
you
would have been Dineo.
At least basho Dineo, I don't mind.
Njengandabo zizipho babahle nje. Hawu madoda.
Inhliziyo zabantu ke lapha.
Hawu madoda,
professional.
Abo Dineo.
Hey.
Bakunikeza iDineo kanti.
Well,
bakunikeza ama heartbreak.
Hey. I mean, ngizwe kuthiwa hey amajida yakhala kha ngoDineo ngabo Nthabiseng hey yazini
ngabo Nthabiseng ngabombali
abo Precious
umbala kasana
no umbali kube umbali kube uPrecious
not
precious uPrecious dangerous kodwa ke
asikho lapho kodwa ke ngiyajabula bengithi ngizothi ngale ndaba yase Empondomise. What I've realized though, and this was based on leya documentary ka ubani lo uMadikizela Mandela umama uDikizela Mandela ukuthi you know it is indaba ka mama uMadikizela Mandela abantu aba understand abantu they say that she was an anarchist but umuntu that didn't really care for others. And I think they are viewing it badly because history yakhe bayiqala kuphi? History yakhe normally bayiqala eseSoweto. But we must trace it back to Mpondo. Abafazi bamaMpondo or the female from Mpondo, they are very resilient. They don't take nonsense. Yeah, they don't take nonsense, and that's how even history tells you. AmaXhosa, they were the one that were very much welcoming to the white people, while amaMpondo and amaMpondomise, they've been fighting the white people from the get-go. They didn't. That's why Konamanje then they integrated AmaXhosa. Then they became higher in Indaba zamaXhosa than Indaba zama. Than the tribe yamaMpondo and amaMpondomise, because amaMpondo and amaMpondomise, they've always been powerful and they've been here even way before AmaXhosa migrated to the Eastern Cape. Do you know that?
So that's who's been defeating the British.
They've always fought against the British. If you can trace actually which tribe in the Southern Africa that has been fighting even before impi zasesandlana Zulu, before all of that,
300 years
exactly.
Now you see uzongitshela ke mangabe ngiyaphosisa ukuthi now that you are making a distinction, angikho sure ke ukuthi manje amaMpondomise or amaXhosa nje in general, but amaXhosa are the only are the only ethnic group or group of people who were never defeated by the British in battle. Never. It was not a defeat at war. AmaXhosa, they had to be defeated by chemical warfare, as they say. Hey, this is a real thing. Hey, it's not a real person, that thing.
It's not a real person, man.
Hey, my man. Yeah. The British must be scared of the British.
Hey, those people have worked with our mind, eh?
Exactly. And is not a real thing. They planted that story because Bona, they were the ones who planted inkomo egulayo esibayeni sabantu.
Whoa, yes, I can believe that.
So you can imagine kufika mhlambe inkomo ezu10 ezigula zonke ziyagula. Uyabona manje kune foot in mouth.
Zonke hantavirus.
Uyabona lezi zinto ezikanjalo. So they take a cow like that, plant it different villages, plant. Of course ezinye inkomo zizawugula.
Of course.
Zizawufa. Now awazi phela ukuthi manje isuka manje lento sekugula inkomo njalo.
Sekugula inkomo, but do you believe that vele ukuthi the Mpondomise are the most resilient when it comes to
obvious.
Mina Nkanyezi, what I will say with your comment in terms of is it real? AmaMpondomise were never defeated. Right? They were never defeated on kunamanye kaMaZulu, they were defeated ngamo la blood river wars, and even though after Isandlana they came back and then they were defeated. What they did with amaMpondomise is that they've infiltrated. Now there was an infiltration whereby AmaXhosa, because they were more lenient, if you are more lenient into umbuso wabelungu, they were lenient with you. For an example, AmaZulu, they were more lenient than AmaBhaca. So AmaBhaca, they were destroyed. While AmaZulu, okay, you can keep what you have, and then we can work with you. But if you were a king and then you couldn't work with them, they destroyed you completely, and then automatically, then because Mautulu Pegamaxhosa, Konamanje is Xhosa. But there are so many different tribes in Xhosa, different languages in Xhosa. But because of the AmaZulu, they were the first people who by the history of him, he was the one that almost was in negotiations nabelungu. To a point whereby, okay, they gave him the Zulu and they said, okay, you're going to be the Zulu and the language you're going to speak in this region is Zulu. Disregarding everyone else.
Exactly.
And then kwaXhosa, the Eastern Cape, they said you're gonna be Transkei and Ciskei. You're gonna speak your official language is gonna be Xhosa. Disregarding Amampondo Misen, Amahlubi, and all the other people that are in that. So if you work well with the white people, they were very lenient with you. But if you start becoming umuntu ofana nabo Matikizela Mandela,
Ibrahim Traore.
Senkingeni.
It's still happening now. Safana, that situation.
Nah.
It's not changed at any point in time. Safana.
But ke masingangeni kakhulu emapolitikini. Masingangeni kakhulu emapolitikini. Zizipho, I think you are very much very popular upon TikTok. What kind of uyazama?
Yes.
What kind of content do you do lapha?
Denza umculo wesiXhosa.
Oh, umculo wesiXhosa.
But when it started, dangayazi uba you understand? Just like anyone else who's dlalela TikTok wenza whatever, i-trend efika uyenza, and then I did it one day, and then manvuke ekuseni, I'm famous. I'm famous. But again, for me, shame, it comes naturally because it's who I am. Yeah. So ndiyabona nje abantu bayayithanda like into what is real.
Yes.
Because you connect kakhulu nabantu because ndiyabona shame abantu bawuthandile kakhulu.
Oh, okay, cool. Who's your favorite Xhosa? Because you do Xhosa music. Who's your favorite Xhosa artist?
Mamela Visholo.
Visholo.
Yes.
Wemazi Visholo Kanyezi.
Sengizomazi ke namhlanje.
Uzomazi ke. Okay, no bad futhi but
ukhona uGatsheni.
Oh, okay, angimazi uGatsheni. Gatsheni angimazi.
Aninzi.
But
mostly ingoma zakhona zezingoma zasemgidini.
Okay. So Etsolo, so you but you grew up this side. Are you this?
No.
Oh, you grew up that side.
Yazifikela mina apha.
Oh, okay.
Hayibo, so you grew up that side.
Yeah, Eastern Cape.
Esiphi isikhoto?
Kutsolo ne kwilali yakungqwala.
Kulali yako
Kwilali.
Kulali. Sizafunda phela namhlanje.
Elalini.
Yeah, elalini igama layo ungqwala.
Nqwala. Okay, so you did your high school, your primary school and high school lapho njena.
You know what I want
Eastern
to know?
Cape.
Who is there something famous ngeNqwala?
Hayibo famous because ndilapha.
Angayibuzela phela nje.
Uzibuzela.
Ngasho lutho abantu baseNqwala. Shout out.
Yes.
Bengiyibuzela nje ukuthi yabo. Okay, alright.
Yeah, so nifunde ngapha yanje. Apha ndize college. Yeah.
Zesoza college ngala.
Yeah, after matric then I came this side.
And then Australia, which college? Because I want to understand by but a culture shift.
Ufika kwami I went to Epitori. Khona isikolo babethi Health Nicon.
Safe.
Hayibo why out? Oh hi.
Epitori. Kuna culture shock Epitori. Pitori. Safe Pitori akuna nix.
Akuna nix Pitori.
But kusemahlanyeni ngudani.
Pitori mahlanye. Kuphi nendawo ePitori?
Kuphi na? Queenswood. Kunesikole nje Queenswood.
Uyezwa nje.
Yes.
Uthe bakubamba inkunzi eQueenswood. Cha kuse Queenswood bakubamba inkunzi. There's no such thing. Queenswood. Ba Hatfield nyana. Awubona iHatfield igcwala amaphoyisa kanjani?
Abo Sunny becauzoti Sunny side.
Yabo abo Sunny side.
Hayi.
Yeah, uvuka kanzima ngeSunny side. Queenswood.
Queenswood ngisho ku right Queenswood ne.
Hayi kwaku right.
Uyabo? Simple.
Ufike kahle. Wangena inkinga. Bayidlela ama noodles.
Uyazi. Bangabe indaba zalutho.
Uyabo? Easy. Manje mawuthi Doornfontein. Yabo la ezothi ngene kabuhlungu mose Gauteng.
Hayi kanzazi.
Kandawo. Yabo, awu right futhi ungayazi.
Ungene kahle.
Right ungayazi Doornfontein.
Ayiphi manje leyo?
Doornfontein.
Ayiphi le?
Kuna isigode eJohannesburg. Wathi Doornfontein.
Ayangiyazi ke le.
Awunzima lapha kunemikhuku in the building.
ungasho
How
wena
much itafaka imikhukhu?
Dorenfontein
Ubi.
imikhukhu eJardini
Usathi Jared.
endlini ngaphakathi.
Amabhilidi ama apartment floor. Kunemkhukhu on the 8th floor. This thing of hijacked buildings, this thing is
really kodwa ngeke ngabona enye documentary, but I think it was not documentary. I think kwakuyizindaba they were going into another was it I think it was like a house.
Yeah.
So in the house I think it was a Randburg. It's a house.
Yeah.
But moya ngasemuva kwayo na imikhukhu igcwele ithe.
It's not Bryanston.
I think it was
Bryanston.
I think it was yeah, it was Bryanston.
It was Bryanston. That house.
Cabanga Bryanston sikhule sazi ukuthi is that
Yeah.
sophisticated.
Yeah. No. Mara leyo nto ngeke uyibone eQueenswood. I must see.
Ngeke uzuyibone vele
I assume ba beyingekho ke leyo nto eQueenswood.
hayibo lana ekhaya ke sinamaletha. So sineletha lana engifuna ukuthi sifunde.
People are dedicated.
Abantu shukuthi ekhaya bomkhaya ke laphana de so uthi ekhaya lana abantu the family lana sibiza umkhaya njenga nawe zizipho umkhaya ke manje ya so umkhaya wala batshele nandi camera batshela ukuthi
Umkhaya.
batshele
Wasekhaya ne.
uthi kungcono ekhaya
Ungcono ekhaya.
They must know kanje nawe umkhaya
Vela mina dala ngumkhaya.
kuthi njena
Dala le podcast le ndaba ye podcast sayixoxa dala boma 5 years back.
Wait. I think now we can tell them ukuthi the idea ye podcast kahle it came through Unkanyezi.
Serious?
So yeah, he came up with remember when I called you and I told you that I wanted to do photography.
Yeah.
And then we were like, nah.
Yeah.
Photography is too much.
Gcwele.
Hamba uyohlala esitulweni ukhulume
Exactly.
ezinye izinto sazixoxa.
Ube nabo umkhaya. Yabona manje bakuthumela
Beka manje umkhaya abaningi kumnandi sithumela amaletha manje siyaxoxa kumnandi and I'm enjoying every bit of it.
Manje buza bushutha manje crippled in the knees. Kunzima uhuzuka phansi.
Sake saya eMpumalanga lapha so Zizipho na noNkanyezi we used to have a production house whereby we were doing photography. Saya eMpumalanga sasuka lana ngo1 safika kusasa ngo7:30.
Yes.
So lana ngo1 yabo. Sifika le ngo7:30 ekseni. Silahlekile singene entabeni.
Amafoni afe wonke. Ifoni ye GPS ifile. Ifoni ye music ifile. If amafoni wonke swa.
Ama windows driver sibuya ngaphandle sidrive kanje.
Kunenkungu engakanani. Boma 3 ekseni inkungu. Asibone ukuthi siyapi. Sithi nje siyahamba all of a sudden it's a gravel road. Out of nowhere. Bekuhamba kahle ku smooth. All of a sudden.
Sesithi
gravel road.
Gulukudu. Hayi.
Anifone yini?
Amafoni afile. Amafoni afile
siyakuba i-graduation.
The graduation kaHlobisile. Shout out to Hlobisile lawo mamtshali madoda. Hey.
Kodwa sizibonile. Hey.
Hlobi. So what normally happen ekhaya lana ukuthi we've asked abomkhaya to send us letters. And then either they want advice or they just want to share some wisdom with us. So njenga ngiphethe letter lana I'm not sure ukuthi is this an advice letter or is they just want to share something with us.
Okay.
So sizoyifunda and then masiqeda ukuyifunda ke normally ayifunda mina ke.
Hayi.
Ifunda abo Zwani ngoba Zwani bazi isiZulu kodwa ke nami ngizasizama isiZulu namhlanje.
Uzwana unomjida we-haircut.
Yeah.
Kunomunye umjida la lo mjida i-haircut yakhe engathi uyayikhipha ebusuku. Ayifake kuthapa we yabona ibamba ishape. Besavuka ekseni vela
ayibuyisele uzwanike lo madoda phansi enkandla lapha edabuka khona
ifate alomjida ayiloyiki
hayi phela basinakekela into le kulamala
right
basinakekela
bafana nathi
hey athi sivuka sempini
straight
uyazinakekela nawe inwele kuyabonakala vele ukuthi hayi
vele
intokazi is a different story
vele different story
different story
but ke ngoku indoda mayisenza nama skin care hayi sekuwese
yini no avumelane indoda mayenze skin care
afuna to dive mask
for what
activated
indoda mayishaya ichiskop
Chichiscope njengabe indaba zaluhlu
faka Vaseline faka roll on angeke dithi ndenzi ekseni nguwe nesipili nami
sasitela isipili manje
yila babaqhinayo
Vaseline
labaqhinayo bona benzani
awushine emsebenzini ozizipho how shiny emsebenzini
athi bheka
yo
masibula angishine mina
every day bakusemsebenzini ndoda uyangiphanga ozizipho ekhaya wathi manje osuzofaka ama cream uzizipha kafuna amadona afuni ngisho i-shape
indoda mayibe indoda guys
nakhe fune ko Vaseline
hayi how to sike sihambe ngayo ke leta sizwe ukuthi bathini and then ke either we're going to advise or we're going to get advice from them
yes
all right
ngizasama ke emkhaya ngizasama isizulu ngicela singajajani
yalalela asijajani
enjalo sanibonane ekhaya ngicela ukuba ngifihlwe I want to be anonymous
it's fine
ngiyintombazane neminyaka ewu23 ngisanda kuthuthela eKapa lapho ngithole khona umsebenzi wami wokuqala wasehhovisi ngidabuka kwami gamude okuyisigodi esijulile sasempandleni kwaNongoma eKZN I'll shout out to KZN madoda lapho ngivela khona isiko lethu liyimpilo yethu ngaphambi kokuba ngishiye umhlabathi wasekhaya abadala bangenzela umsebenzi wokungikhulisa nokungihlahlela indlela kwasindwa kwahlulwa ukuze ngivikeleke kuleli dolopha njengamanje ngiqize isiphandla sethu esigcwele esihlakaleni sami I think on his arm lesi sikhumba siyisithunzi sami kanti futhi silixhumaniso sami namadlozi akithi inkinga eqale ngesonto elidlule umphathi wami ungibizele emhlanganweni wekhona ngasese private meeting ungitshele ukuthi abanye engisebenza nabo bakhalile kwa HR bathi bazizwa bengakhululekile ngokusebenza eduze kwesikhumba esomile futhi banikeze inkampani umyalelo ongonekiyo
ultimatum sesomile singcono ukhusive master fresh
sinjani sanuka hayibo uthini la kumina hayibo
ayanuka yo
uthi ke bamnikeze ultimatum wokuthi kulungiswe lolu daba ngoba bethi siphambana nenhlanzeko kanye nesithombe sehovisi office aesthetics yizo ke lezo hayibo mhlola yakhe
mhlolo vele
awuntokazi yizwa ke la imbi kakhulu ikhambi lomqashi ukucela mina ukuba ngihlele isemina yokufundisa ikampani bafuna ngenze ipresentation yePowerPoint ngicacise kabanzi ngamasiko ami ukuze abantu baqonde mndeni wasekhaya ingqondo yami iyala futhi ngiyanqaba ngithukuthele kabi kungani kumele kube yimina okhanyisela abantu abadala ngesiko laseAfrika ezweni laseAfrika kushubile eofisini akekho owacelwa ukuba asifundise ngamasiko asentshonalanga abusayo kuleli hovisi sigubha ukhisimusi senze isecret santa sihloniphe iPasika ngaphandle kokuthi umuntu afake islide show ukuze azithelele ngezihloko manje sengizizwa ngicindezelwe ngiyajajwa futhi ngathelwa ngezimbonkolo uma ngingakwenzi lo mhlanganiso ngibukeka ngingenawo umoya wokusebenzisana. Uma ngisika isiphandla sami ngidlala ngemisebenzi yabadala ngidelela amadlozi akithi. Ngicela ningiluleke ekhaya. Ngabe ngiyaphutha yini ngokwenqaba ukuba nguthisha wezamasiko kuleli hovisi?
Okay.
That is the letter.
No, but okay.
That's
okay.
heavy. So
Yeah.
umzwa uthini kahle kahle?
Ngiyamuzwa kahle. You know what? Can my opinion is that I'm happy they are giving her a chance to explain why.
Okay.
Because in most cases, bekuzothiwa keep asifuni nokuzwa ukuthi why wena wakhulela kuphi, hey, it's my culture, asifuni nokuzwa. But in this case, they're giving her a chance. Asichazele, at least ke sichazele. Yabo? We understand it's inconvenient, but
at least they're giving her a chance. So Guti, you must explain actually what's going on with your armband.
I understand why engafuni kodwa. I completely understand
I would
why.
Never.
So now
I understand why.
Why?
Siyayazi ubala isiko. Akekho umuntu ongayaziyo.
Phela belungabazi bona.
That's my thing. Uyasho
ukuthi it's my culture sir. But andizucacisa uba kwathini. Funeka ngichaze ngoba ndisifakeleni. Angeke, funeka sihloniphe namasiko abantu guys. Hlonipha.
So you're saying that even the white people needs to learn. They
need to learn, but here's the opportunity to teach them.
To teach them.
Aye.
This is the opportunity. I think they must learn them.
Because uthi ingqondo yami iyala futhi ngiyanqaba ngithukuthele kabi. Kungani kumele kube yimina okanyisela abantu abadala ngesiko lase-Afrika? Ezweni lase-Afrika. So I mean Africa.
The problem. I understand the problem fully. Inkinga, ne? Mawungabheka naye uyasho in the letter. Utho Paseka bawahlonipha uPaseka. Bayenza Christmas abo Secret Center. Yabo? Ukuthi lezi zinto zenziwe, someone had to teach someone. Ukuthi lento yenziwa kanje because of this, because of that. And because it was taught, it became normal. Angithi manje because it's South Africa, we know our economy is divided. Yabo?
Plus Cape Town is Cape Town. Racist Cape Town.
You understand what I'm saying?
Racist.
Unfortunately, I own it in Cape Town.
Exactly.
I see it or boss. Yabo? So my thing is, if it's not going to be you, it's going to be who, my sister?
But nangokuzi why should I be the one teaching? Which why should she be the one teaching?
Because who else will teach?
But again, I understand. Yeah, look, I understand. I came here to work.
Yeah.
Look, if I sign a contract and my contract says that my job is to be a HR person or maybe a data analyst, whatever.
Yeah.
This is what I'm going to do. And the food as in you see things like this. I'm just thinking now with things like this. You want my watch le electronic watches lezis about Apple what lama watch now. They're always in our arms.
Yeah.
So why do you say then is pandla it's unhygienic?
Yeah, exactly.
While this one is always in my arm. Every morning I need to clean this. Right? Because I only have like 2 of them. Maybe I'm also afford you can buy stripes, but I can't afford. I only have like 2 of them, so I need to clean them. No one is having a problem officing alone. So it's almost the same than this pandla. This pandla is always there. Why then they need to have that issue? It doesn't go with the office. I think
aesthetics.
Aesthetics cabanga.
Nonsense leyo nto. But again, I'll tell because clearly mina I'm missing something.
But guys, isiphandla vele masesitsha siyanuka.
Mara uthi lesisomile. So it's better. Already it's better.
But awukwazi usikhavara ke. Like
maybe.
But why should I cover it? Ikufana noba ngisekhaya
phela why should you cover it?
It's my entire phela ekhaya lana mangisegoli ngisekhaya.
Yeah.
Mangise emakhaya ngisekhaya ngoba yini umhlobo wokhokho wonke lo South Africa ngithi and I'm a citizen of South Africa.
Exactly.
Why do I need to go to spaces where I need to cover who I am?
Exactly. Njengoba usho now it's my culture. Manje ngiyifihlela culture. That's like it. You know what she should just say? Because I assume because it's Cape Town, there are some Muslim people there. Well, why don't those people? Why do they get to do their culture? But mina, when it's my culture, But at the same time,
culture is fun.
Yeah, exactly.
As far
now, would you do then? Would you do a presentation? But now, but would you do the presentation?
No.
So it will be like when you.
You know, and I understand why because it feels invasive, sort of. It feels like nizong beggar. Why, you know?
And kwasona isiphahla siyajongisa.
Yeah.
Yo.
But you know what? You know why I need she must do it. You know why I need she must do it.
Hey.
Because I understand this thing. Look, the way you want to if it was an opportunity to tell people about your culture, surely that should like excite you, man. You should be happy, like you know, we are connected, you know, we have this, we have that, you know, this is our rules. We believe people don't just die, they stay with us. All of these things, these are things you must be excited to talk about. These are things you must be like, it's my connection to my grandmother, to my great-grandmother, to my... And the thing is, once you have spoken about it, once it's out, it's much easier to just continue with your life. And also, because they gave you the chance to explain, after you've explained, now Kona, she can just make the presentation and send it. I'm present it. Just send to all. Our Shama PCC. PCC, good morning, colleagues. Please see the attached kind regards.
Hey,
you don't need to stand in a boardroom. Hey, it's fine. Type Angela, even if it's a video,
voice note.
Voice note in the company WhatsApp group.
I agree with.
But my thing is, after it's been out, because they gave you the ultimatum.
Okay, do it.
At least. There's nothing anyone can do to you. Because you've complied. Like
you just lift the weight over your shoulder. I've done it. I agree with you because you know why I agree with. But I agree with your point, ne? But I'm very much aware ukuthi kahle lentokazi yona kahle ibuya kuphi because I'm agreeing with your point because I've been in corporate spaces.
Yeah.
Corporate is not your friend. Mm-hmm. They don't care. They can replace you in one beat. Yeah. Today you are there, tomorrow not. They are not your friends.
Exactly.
So they only show you as much as the politeness, as much as maybe you are needed in that space.
Exactly.
Or whatever. But
so clearly she's very needed. Because they've given her a chance to say, explain to us.
Exactly.
Please. We are curious.
Yeah, if they go to that extra mile.
You see what I'm saying?
Because the line manager can just say, you know what? I lona simnikeza 6 months. Sizomkhipha simtshela ukuthi hayi simnikeza ipackage retrenchment ungabi indaba zalutho yabo. But
instead,
if it was me, I'd rather go that route. You know why? Because I'd rather use that moment and tell everybody in the office that no, I am not going to do the presentation. And why am I not going to do the presentation is because I wish abantu that hired me should have prepared you for me. I'm not the one to take the blame. Amangabe unomuntu that hired you, you need to be then able to prepare the other ones that are already there to say there's someone that's coming. And it is not my duty as the employee to teach you where I come from, because you never told me wena ukuthi wena ubuya kuphi. So why must I be the one just because wena uthi ngifeke isiphandle lesi it's hygienic. It's hygienic.
So here's the thing now with that situation. Ne? Imagine if he interviews angithubuya akabuye Cape Town, obvious.
Ubuya
kwaNongoma. Yeah, I forgot.
Phansi esigodini sakhona.
Exactly. Yabo. So, ngathola ukuthi that interview was done via Teams or Zoom.
Or maybe ngekasifaki nesiphahla.
You see what I'm saying?
Because ungafika emsebenzini ungekasenzi, then time goes by, wenza umsebenzi.
No, uthi they did it as a way of saying of the way of saying amadlozi ukuthi amnakekele.
So uyenze mase ahamba.
So sisa fresh kahle lesiphandla.
But my thing with that also is, as HR, angazi phela mina ukuthi uyenza umsebenzi ngaze laphi. There was no point in the interview.
Now that you yosebenza yazisa abantu hayi ke ngo.
There's no one in HR who's thinking, okay, so awusitsheleke uswenzela umsebenzi
kulesiphandla leso
in the interview sekuthiwa hayi ke
nasenza isiphandla kusecala noba kwatsolo kutsolo nasenza isiphandla
hayi anikaze ngibona umuntu wenza isiphandla
osho ukuthi amazulu kuphela
sibona apha egqule zonto mna
so sitting
yinto bahamba
maybe
akade masiphiza ngama-biltong bathi yinto bahamba ngama-biltong
hayi vele mna ndiqala uyibona apha shame because kwela cala benza ingqithi okanye baya lento zebusweni bayachaza
yini ingqithi
bakusika nomunwe lo.
Oh, you are from that tribe.
Okay.
You are just the tribe.
There's even here also. Nalani yayenza.
Oh.
Le yase ngapha entamo
bayisika nayo. Xa bechaza because mabechaza bayachaza nomzimba.
Okay.
So bakusika makwenze njani
makusika? Hayi mna ndiyenza. Anelisiko.
Ingqiza. What did you say?
Ingqithi.
Mina ngikhumbula le nto le uyazi kuna show le ibizwa ingquza. There's a place in South Africa ibizwa ingquza. Ngiyakutshela there's a show there's a place in South Africa called ingquza.
You know what? I would believe it because nabo bophuma sibethani.
Timalibona. Sirubisabeni.
Sirubisabeni. Nazi zikhona indawo ezinjani.
Yasasisuthu zizipho. Kancane mangithi sirubisabeni ngisho awusho awazi nokuthi ngilo ngithini.
Super fast. Slow down.
Yazini. Okay.
Yashayina la.
Yashayina la ngesiru.
Exactly what
ithanga liyakhanya.
Yashayina.
Ithanga liyakhanya. So mabekhatha ozinene buya lapho kukhathwa khona.
Yeah,
bayachaza futhi. Kodwa nawuchazanga ukhathanga yini? Bayakuthanda ugogo wakho.
Istory sam
Queenswood yonke we.
Mna ne vele nikhulele endaweni enjalo, but for me my parents abawenza amasiko. So zonke into ndizaziyo ukuthanda izinto ndihambe emizini. Ukuthanda izinto endingapha yanikhuliswe ugogo wami. So before ndihlale with my parents benhlala nogogo wami, so besizibona izinto kulo mama izinto ziyenziwa, you understand, but ekhaya abenza amasiko.
Wait, they're not doing them because bahlala kuphi or they're Christian khona
pha kunqwala kutsolo.
Okay, but they're more okay.
Ndiyazibona nje ya.
Okay, but ugogo wakho ukhulu wakho nobugogo umakhulu wakho she's the one that
zesenziwa ke phana ndizibona izinto.
Interesting.
Otherwise my parents abenzi nix
unkanyezi bayawenza
bawenza amasiko
ngabona imshanyelo eminingi lapha
That's true.
ngabona every door mawuvala toilet mangivala kunomshanyelo mangivala lapho kwenye room lapho extra room lapho ngilala khona kunomshanyelo
Ntoni
umshanyelo
Phela ngithi phela mekwenzi so the biggest contributor yale mishanyelo ne kwakumshado kaBhudwami. So manje eshado ushadele basuthwini. Yabo. Or rather umuntu omsuthu ushadele kithi. I guess
Okay.
you know if we are putting
You know,
it
technicalities.
kahle,
Enye
yabo. So angithi vele yazi mos kuyaphana ama gift ngapha ngapha. So hey imishanyelo
Baniphi.
yayize ngenye iveni imishanyelo yakhona yazi. Wathulula yabonile ukuthi ayikusazohlinwa la ekhaya. It's because you know my suspicion mawami uthanda kabi ukuclean mawami uthanda ukuclean
kodwa ayijabulele lemshanyelo
Imishayelo yenza.
exactly
ya no uma kankanyezi uthanda ukucleana uthanda ukucleana kakhulu
day in day out Monday to Monday vuka ngo-6 uza njengomshanyelo emnyango ngawona umshanyelo awukhwasha
Ekuseni.
that's why ubhuti wakho
That's
vele
why.
wathatha umakoti wathi yena ohlala ngaphandle ngoba nomakoti bezoclean
Yeah, fully. That's why I assume babonile but no mara makumento ka urata ukucleana nyana wabo so re tla morekela bo michanyelo nyana ai chanyele ka tlung wabo
ampa ifielele alena le mongo mona tsare mo le mo
Khubinye mo se rupa so really so sabe ya but ke
Ubinye sirubika mo sirubika ke pavement
so ki pavement exactly
hey ngisho sizibhakaza lutho ke manje lethe kwasikhuluma
but hey umagumede ngathi uthanda kabi phela ukucleana yabo ithi simzame ngemichanyelo yabo
Izindivile.
yabo
Kalo ndithe ndiyabamba bamba.
okay asibonge
okay hayi ke I think mase sivala nje sithi ke last final solution ukuthi but before sishisi mhlombe ke siya one by one mkhaya nawe lapho uhlele ekhaya lapha just please advise
Faka
on the
kuma
comment batshele
ama comment ukuthi yeah again im advising
ukuthi yena ngenza kanjani ngoba uthi should she do a presentation or abayeke benjalo njenganathi uyabona lana e-studio siyasho ukuthi abanye bathi hayi akayenze presentation is just gonna be a little bit easier kuye naye abanye bathi no you can't but ke wena what do you say
No one is forcing you.
ay usibuleleke la ungangena babulise phela lana sine sound engineers ne videographer
very professional.
Yes, very professional.
Very professional.
Uye kumuntu osisizayo phela ukuthi sibuke yangathi siyayazi into esiyenzayo ngama sound nezinto zonke leziyana.
Lighting.
So ungasabi ungena. Mawufuna ukuhamba la uhambe nje ungagiya ushane 2. Ushane 2. Shout 2 nje la ngabe indaba zalutho but ke I think on my side but before on my side thi ngiqale ngawe ke zizipho ukuthi wena what do you your final words on this what can you advise umkhaya to do?
For me, if bengingumkhaya ne. Okay, okokuqala, I think abantu fanele bahloniphe amasiko abantu okokuqala. And ke for umkhaya, ndiyayiva into yakhe ne. Mina I wouldn't. Like why mele explain ebantwini? Why mele explain? Because amanye amasiko ayenziwa ngendlela abafaka isiphandla. Now that mina ngifaka isiphandla kufanele ngichaze.
Rather resign. Kumele resign.
Hi guys, Marichi Luba is either you present or you resign.
Basho njalo bathi alternate time ukuthi phela
I can send you voice note again. Because alifuna hlekela ngumsebenzi and sekwenza voice note to explain. Ayiba into eformal sofanele ndiyime But because just to save umsebenzi but why?
Yeah, no. I ngiyakuzwa. Nangikuzwa kahle. Nkanyezi wena uyithini le ndaba?
White people are ignorant, bafethu. Siqale nje lapho. There is and you know
ngiyakuzwa mina.
You know what I'm saying? Kune ignorance ethize, right?
Yeah, just
but
very subliminal sometimes.
Exactly. Yabo. And my thing is, njengoba usho now, it's Cape Town. Cape Town, kunamaZulu ayingaki Cape Town. Let's be honest. AmaZulu ayenza isiko.
Yeah.
How many are
normally
there in Cape
amaXhosa
Town?
the Xhosa amaXhosa
Semaxhoseni in Cape Town. Kahle, all those white people should know how to speak Xhosa. It doesn't make sense that uhlale eWestern Cape akwazi ukukhuluma isiXhosa. As a white person, honestly. No, because there are white people in Eastern Cape who can speak Xhosa. There are white people in Limpopo who can speak Sepedi. Bona bahlulwa yini?
Bona bahlulwa yini
You see what I'm
nokuthi
saying?
nje to learn
It's chosen
the normal
ignorance.
rituals.
That's silly.
My thing is, it's chosen ignorance, right? So now she has an opportunity, Umkhaya, to address this thing of this chosen ignorance by doing what? Enlightening everyone. Nakhona ngithi it's her culture. Ngesikhathi ayenza amasiko at home, was she not happy to do them? It's not like she was embarrassed, I assume, because otherwise ngaba kasifakanga isiphandla.
Yeah.
So usually she's proud of her culture. And if you're proud of your culture, I don't see why you wouldn't want to at least talk about it. You know what I mean? At least explain it. Just be like, yo, guys, hey, we are connected to nature. We are connected to, nature is us. We are nature. There's no separation between us and nature. We are one thing. That is the expression of God and all of those things.
Zonke lezo zinto.
Imnandi xa uzithethela nje, but ingabi into ukuthi I have to. It's either this or that.
Okay.
Ayikho mnandi ke usesiyalwa ke
Okay.
ngoku.
Okay, I see. Okay. Senze kanje. Explain it just to HR. Then it's HR's problem to make sure everybody in the office understands uba nisebenza nabanye abantu like akusikwakho la for you to complain and say hey isiphandla sikabani bani siyangiphoxa sinuka ipaloni. Why is it? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like chazeli HR, yeah. Chazeli HR.
Avelite.
Then it's HR's problem. When you have complied, you have done what they asked you to do.
Exactly.
You've explained.
Hey.
You see what I'm saying? And then HR, they must take it to the rest of the office. But guys, Mamelan, because what happens when the next person comes and they have the same issue? Whereas right now, you have the chance to fix this thing for a generation of people. You know?
Yeah.
There was no. Now, Abo Lumumba. Abo Sankara. These people were not just working for themselves. I mean, obviously, this is a bit of a different, you know what I mean? Different, but, okay. You work for a generation.
It must be a
what I mean?
generational education.
Yeah,
But
nobody
I get
chooses to be in that situation. You find
I
yourself there.
definitely get it, and I get where she's coming from because mina ngasho nje ngithi mina mnambe ngizavele ngithi kanti wakumele kube yimi onfundisayo. But I like the fact ukuthi you must always look at the opportunity to teach other people because they are not always aware of what's going on, right?
Exactly.
Always be able. Kodwa ke ngithi jabula ntombi kaGamethu uzala inxele zalisa ziphelele umoto ngambe ngaliphinda kabili. Hayi ke ngiyabonga mina zizipho awubabhabhayise phela ekhaya.
Ngoba i-timer ithi 10 seconds.
Exactly.
Siyabonga ekhaya bekumnandi ukuba sekhaya.
Akungcono kodwa ekhaya.
Ungcono ekhaya.
Akungcono ekhaya. Kanyesi uyithi le ndaba.
Don't forget to try and teach people when you can.
Yes.
When you can. Sometimes it's not your responsibility. Sometimes you are the chosen person in the moment.
Uyayibona le ndaba. Hayi ke please do subscribe, do comment, do share. Makube mnandi kube njalo ekhaya sithi siyanthanda nonke nje kumnandi ekhaya sithi nje qi. Ayibonana ngolo zayo next week Sunday sikhona. Asibonge.